In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can change the name of a file and how we can save it. Here we've got a thumbnail that I did for a recent YouTube video, and I've saved it with a pretty mundane title of change the colour of a photo. That's pretty nondescript and won't really mean a lot when it's been saved into Canva should I need to look for it in the future. But there is an easy way that we can change the title to be something a bit more significant to us. Head over to where the title is and double click on there, and that will highlight all of the text, and then we can delete the text and we can start again. So I'm going to call this one YouTube thumbnail, change the colour of a photo. That's going to help me identify this specific thumbnail should I need to look for it again in the future. So once we've done that now, head over to File, click on File, and here we can see that it says Save. We are going to select Save, and that's now going to save any recent changes and any changes to our title. We've now got an option to move the design as well. So if, like me, you have different categories that you save your design, so here I've got printables, uploads, Pinterest pins, YouTube, Etsy. So I like to move my designs into a folder just to keep them nice and neat. So because it's a YouTube thumbnail, I'm going to select YouTube, and now it's going to say move here or create a folder. So we select move, and it will tell us now that the YouTube thumbnail moved to the YouTube folder. That's a really quick and easy way that we can change the name of a file and how we can save it inside of Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you all again soon.